Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to display FPS counter on Steam. So let's get started. So now here we are on Steam, and to display your FPS counter is quite simple. All you have to do is go log in into your account here in the Steam app, and then from here you want to click on the Steam icon on the top left. And then now click on settings. And from here, you want to navigate into the in-game section right here. And then you will find the option right here. It says in-game FPS counter. You simply want to turn this on. So you can choose the location. It will be on the top left, top right, or bottom left, depending on your preference on where you would like it to appear. So let's say you want it at the top right there. And after that, all you have to do now is launch the game, and you'll now be able to see the FPS counter on the top right. But if you can see it clearly, then what you can do is that you can enable this so that the in-game FPS counter would have high contrast color so that it will be more visible. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can enable FPS counter here on Steam. All that's left is to launch your new game and see your FPS counter.